Hi, good evening and welcome. My name is Sandra. My channel is called Sussex Sandra and welcome. Slightly different setup this evening, mainly because I think I broke my laptop. I'm really upset about it. I was literally going to edit another video which I recorded earlier in the week, and I was just going to edit that so it'll be up for Sunday morning. And yeah, I couldn't get into my computer. I kind of broken the screen, so it's gone all funny and stuff, so I can't use it. So I'm using my iPhone, so hopefully this is going to be all right. Introduce my niece. For those of you who are regular viewers of my channel, you know my niece, Kayla. Say hi. Hi. Okay. And I should also say that you might hear some background noise in the background. It seems like, yeah, it seems like because there's no trick-or-treating this evening, the parents in the area are doing fireworks instead, which is fair enough. So there we go. So that's what we're doing. Okay, so the video I am doing today, or the unboxing I'm doing today, is from Snack Surprise. I actually honestly thought that they kind of took me off the whole PR list because I hadn't received the box for the whole of October. So I just assumed, right, especially as I saw some other people had put videos up a couple of weeks ago, I just assumed, okay, they've had enough of me to doing my videos, so they weren't going to send me a box this month. But the box came through yesterday morning, Friday morning, so I thought, all right then, okay, this probably will be the last video I do for them. So here we are. We've got a Snack Surprise here, which I am going to do. So let me give you a little bit of information. So this box is gifted, so it's not a box that I've paid for, but it is a monthly subscription box for Snack Surprise. They've got 3 different price levels. So they've got a price level of £6.99, and that's for the mini box. And the mini box, you will get 5 snacks or treats in there. Then you get the box, which I'm assuming my one is here, which is the original box, and it costs £12.99. And in that you'll get 10 sort of snacks and treats from a themed country, and that will also include a drink as well. And then you get a premium box as well. I can't open it. Then you get a premium box as well, which is £24.99, and in that one you'll get 20 items plus, including a drink as well. Right, we'll just try and open this.
Don't cut your leg.
I know, I'm being careful, I'm being careful. Right, there we go. I think what it is, they've made sure they've specially packed it because the last couple of months I've received it. So the September box and the August box, they both came absolutely destroyed by Royal Mail. So what they've done, they've kind of done extra packaging and accelerated to make sure the box is all right, which is all good. Now, it looks like I've opened it upside down. It's typical, isn't it? So let's see if we can get the leaflet, which is at the bottom.
Oh, at the top, really?
Yeah, well, yes, at the top. But I've opened it upside down. Right, here we go. Let's have a look and see what the country is. And the country this month is Turkey. Turkey. Gobble, gobble. Turkey. Okay. It's be interesting to see what they've got. So yeah, this is the October box. So sorry this box is very late, but this time it's not my fault. I actually did receive the box very late. Today is October the 31st and I received it October the 30th. So let's have a look and see what they're saying. They always start off with some information about the country, so I'll have a quick little read of that, see what we got. So it says facts about Turkey. Istanbul Tunnel is the second oldest underground railway in the world after London's 1863. It connects Karaköy to İstiklal Caddesi in a 90-second ride. 2. Turkey may be known for classics such as Turkish Delight, lokum, or Turkish coffee, but it is actually the world's largest producer of hazelnuts. Turkish hazelnuts make up around 70% of the world's supply. Number 3, the Church of St. Peter near Antakya, Turkey, is composed of a cave carved into the mountainside on Mount Starius. This cave is one of Christianity's oldest churches. You can still visit the church and see the traces of ancient decoration today. 4, St. Nicholas, the historical figurehead behind the man we know as Santa Claus, Father Christmas, was born in Patara, Turkey in around 300 AD. 5, despite popular misconception, the capital of Turkey is Ankara. Yeah, not Istanbul. Yeah, I knew it was Ankara. That's one I did know. And covers an area of 9,468 square miles and has a population of 5.5 million. That was in 2019. I'm not going to read anymore because there's loads of stuff going on here. Let's get into the good stuff, eh? Right, so let's see if we can find this. So I think this is that. Do you want to hold that? So hold it up there. So what Kayla is holding up is something called Etty Cracks. This is a crunchy cracker sticks that are seriously addictive. Enjoy the hot and sour taste with this chili lime flavour. You know what they remind me of? The style. It reminds me of Twiglets. Do you know Twiglets? Twiglets have got like a sort of Marmite flavour, which I don't like. But there you go. So that's those. Do you want to try that? You want to try it? It's a chili lime flavour. Do you want to try it? You're not sure? Not sure? You're not sure about that one? Okay. So we'll put that one aside. I should say last month's box was Sweden. And nearly everything in that box went okay, but there's one thing I really do want to, there's two things I want to say that were standouts for me, right? So one was this licorice thing called, I think I did write it down, it was called Junge Ivral, and they described it as sort of salty licorice little monkey things, hard monkeys. And remember we opened it, yeah, remember that? We opened it up after I did the video so we could taste it. Yeah, it made me feel ill. I literally put it in my mouth and I had to spit it out straight away.
Me too.
Yeah, you as well. I'm a licorice lover, and that to me was one of the most vile things I've ever tasted. So yeah, that kind of went in the bin. It was horrible. I mean, we all sort of tasted it. Just none of us.
Even my uncle.
Yeah.
Was like.
Yeah. So my husband Dan, you know, he can handle anything, and it was just. It was just
I think he can handle spice.
Yeah, he can handle spice, so yeah. But it was truly horrible. So I don't know if that was a faulty batch or it was just something that is not for my taste buds or for our taste buds, but it was horrid. If anybody got that box last month in Sweden and tried those sort of salty monkey things, let me know how you go on, because is it just us? But we found it. The thing I really liked in there was, number one were the cheesy noodles, because I love those, the OLW cheesy doodles they call them. I love those, they were delicious. There was another thing in there which was like topics. It was like a toffee crisp that went down well. You like the marshmallows, didn't you? You like the marshmallow flavoured marshmallows. Yeah, you really like those. You ate those the same day. The drink was really nice. It was an orange and apple flavour thing. I think it was called Chocolatero. That was very tasty. That was a really nice drink, actually. And I would, if I saw that out and about, I would definitely pick that up again. And everything else was sort of okay. The one thing that has been left, and I knew it would get left, there was a thing, I can't remember what it was, but it was like a tomato and basil wafer thing. It was like a sandwich that I just knew that wasn't going to get eaten, and it hasn't been eaten. So I am starting to pick up a little parcel of foods. I feel guilty about doing it, and it will be delivered to a food bank, but it's just foods that we receive and we're just not going to eat. Which I feel a bit guilty, because you know, if I'm not eating it, I shouldn't be giving it to somebody else to eat, but otherwise it goes in the bin, so I don't want to waste anything. Anyway, crack on. Next thing, let's see if we can find this one. So you hold that one for me, hold that up. Oh, you know who's going to eat those, don't you? They're sours. They're sours. Me, because I like sours. So these are Jelly Bon Sour Patch Carpoos. These are tongue-tickling sour, then sweet, soft gummies in a tasty watermelon flavour. Mmm. Oh.
I bet you want to try it.
Those are mine. I'm not going to try it because every time I try something on camera, I choke. So I'm not going to try that now.
Yes.
You think that's funny, don't you?
Yeah.
Oh. Right, next is, we've got some Turkish Delight here. I wonder if it's proper Turkish Delight. So this is Turkish Delight, made by the leading Turkish Delight brand, Ezra, E-S-R-A. This box features the classic flavours of rose, lemon and mint. Oh good, I hope it's proper. It looks like it should be. I do love proper Turkish Delight, not the stuff we used to get in a purple wrapper covered in chocolate over here. Whoa, that was something else. That was an insult to Turkish Delights. So that looks nice.
That's Turkish Delight.
Oh, it's not for you. It's for adults. Yeah. It's not for you at all. Come on, next. What's this? This is
a banana.
It looks like something banana, doesn't it? Here you go. So this is Dan Cake 8 cake. This cake is full of flavour and in the shape of figure 8. Can you see that? One part is chocolate flavoured and the other is banana. You don't like bananas, do you? Do you like bananas? I can't remember. You're sort of. You used to love bananas when you were small, but you kind of gone off it a bit now, haven't you? Yeah. All right. Next.
Uncle Dan likes
Uncle Dan will eat it, yeah, exactly. Right, here you go. Well, you pull them out for me, darling. Right, what's that one? That is upside down. You turn it the other way around.
Oh, this is
right way around?
Yeah.
Okay, you're right, it is. So this is Ulker Albini. Can you hold it? Yeah, just hold it there. I'm probably pronouncing this all completely incorrectly, so I apologise. So Ulker Albini. This chocolate bar consists of a biscuit interior covered with caramel, then dipped in rich milk chocolate. Yum. So that'll be all right, won't it? Yep. Yeah, that's nice. Good. Next, what have we got there?
Yes.
And hold it up so we can. No, hold it. So I can see the label in the camera. Oh, I don't know what that is. That is.
That one.
Okay, that one there. This is Itty Poof. Itty Poof. Yeah. Is it? Are you holding it the right way around? Upside down? I think you're. Yeah. Turn it around. Yeah, that's it. Itty Poof. A delicious biscuit and marshmallow coated with pink, yellow, blue, cocoa, colourful granules. I think that might be for you. You want to try it out now? Go on. It's Halloween. We'll allow you. Go on. You can.
Okay.
This is the drink. This is Dimes Visney. Enjoy the real taste of sour cherries with this drink by Dimes, a well-known Turkish fruit juice brand. Okay, so there's that. You right? Okay, so if you hold it up so they can see what it looks like. Okay, so if you hold it up, turn it around the other way as well. So it's like a biscuit base and then the top is marshmallow. Yeah? You want to try that?
Yes, I'm going to try not to make it let go.
Right, this is Eti Bijolu. Everything is called Eti. I wonder what the Eti stands for. Yeah, a lot of things are called Eti here. Eti Bijolu. This is a dense cocoa cream with peanut pieces sandwiched between two wafer layers. This is a must for any wafer lover. Oh, you don't like that? Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. There you go. Oh, sorry, Kayla. Oh dear. Ooh, I got that one wrong, didn't I? Sorry. Okay. Here we have another Eti Tutku. Tutku. This is a mosaic patterned biscuits filled with delicious cocoa cream. Enjoy their rich chocolate flavour with a cup of coffee. Okay, so it's like a chocolate cream biscuit. Do you want to try that instead? No?
No,
Yes?
I'm scared now.
You're scared? Oh dear. Oh dear. Let's carry on. Yep, bring that out. We normally get a packet of crisps of some sort, so that looks like our packet of crisps. Can you hold it up to the camera? So that is, hold it back a bit. So that is our patos rolls. These are hot pepper corn crisps that are shaped like rolls. Enjoy these delicious and crunchy crisps throughout the day. Is that the right thing to hold it up? Yeah, it is. Okay, there you go. And they're saying throughout the day. How long do they think someone's going to be able to hold that? Yeah, they'll eat that. They'll open that and they'll eat in that one hit, won't they? All right, there you go. Right, what we got there? You got some little sweeties there. So we've got a few of these. It looks like we've got 5 of these little sweeties.
Like sour.
So these are Exios Sakis, and these are sour bubblegums. Oh, you like bubblegums? That has been a favourite of children for years. Your box can include strawberry, tutti frutti, and cola flavour. You want to open one of these? It's bubblegum, so you'll be happy with that.
Okay, I can't open. Can't open anything.
This bubblegum. Right,
It smells nice.
It smells nice. That's good. What flavour got?
I think strawberry.
It looks like strawberry. Okay.
Oh!
Nice. This is an Eti Sin. This Turkish favourite features a sweet biscuit tart covered in orange jam, then dusted with chocolate sprinkles. Okay, so there's that. Yeah, nice?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's good. Oh, I'm happy
At the
now.
beginning it tasted disgusting, but then it tastes good.
Okay, all right. Is it the salty, sour taste at the beginning, was it? Okay. Then we've got something here which is Kent Toffeeta. These chewy sweets have a scent and flavour of cherry, which is certainly enough to entertain your taste buds. Okay. I might try one of these. There seems to be a few cherries here. So do they have lots of cherries in Turkey, I wonder? I shouldn't have any problems in eating this, she says. Right, so it just comes in a little wrapper like that.
I can't see it.
Open it first. It's just like a chewy, you know, like we have chewits over here. There you go. It's just like a chewit sort of thing. Yeah, and tastes like chewits as well. Okay, and I think there's one more thing. One more thing in the box.
Oh.
Those are more of those little bubble gums. Yeah, this is nice. This is from Alpella 3 again. This triangular shaped white chocolate bar is laid with crunchy wafer and rich white chocolate. And there you go. So that's our 10 items inside the original box.
I think there's 2 of each flavour.
Is it 2 of each flavour? Okay. There you go. So this box, the original box which I've got, 10 items, and the box I had will cost you $12.99. I do have a discount code if you do want to subscribe, and my discount code is SussexSandra15, and that will give you 15% off your first box. Okay. I don't know if anybody unboxes the mini one on YouTube. I don't think I've seen anybody. I know that Willow Biggs does the premium box, so I don't know if she's still getting the box as well or not, but if she is, then she'll be getting the premium box, so you can see the contents of that. It's probably too late to get the October box now, because as I said, I've got this box really late. So use the discount code to get your November box, and we'll see what the November box will be. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. Just as a reminder, if you watch my Queen box video, there might be something in that video that might be of interest to you, but you will need to watch the video all the way through, and you will also need to be subscribed to my channel. And if you are interested in what's being offered in the Queen box video, please make sure you leave your contact details below in the video, because it makes life a lot easier for me to contact people afterwards. Okay, thanks very much for watching. Don't forget, this is Snack Surprise. Details of how to subscribe to them will be in the description box down below, and I've got my discount code to get 15% off your first box. All right, take care, see you soon. Bye. Nice bubblegum. Good stuff.
Nice thing you have.